Hi everyone, welcome to the University of Limerick, one of Ireland's most vibrant and beautiful campuses. Today I'm going to help you make the most of your open day visit here at UL. Let's get started. When you arrive, you'll likely park in P17 or P18. Both are right behind the foundation building. From there, you are right at the heart of the campus. The best way to kick off your day? Head straight into a course talk. They'll start early and fill up fast. Now, depending on what you're interested in, here's where you'll want to go next. If you're looking at science or engineering, you're in luck. That faculty is just across the courtyard in Building 13. You'll get to see real labs and meet lecturers working on exciting projects. For arts and humanities and social sciences, head into the library building, specifically the H room in Building 10. It's a great chance to learn how UL blends creativity, culture and research. If business is your focus, the Chemie Business School in Building 6 is where you'll want to be. It's modern, dynamic and one of the top rated business schools in Ireland. And if you're considering health sciences or medicine, you'll need to cross the iconic Living Bridge and make your way to Building 34. That's where you'll find the Clinical Education and Health Sciences building, full of interactive displays and tours. Now let's talk accommodation. UL has some of the best on-campus housing in the country. And on open day, Dromore Village will be open for viewing. Step inside and imagine what living here could be like. Even if sport isn't your thing, make time to stop by the UL Arena. It's home to Ireland's largest indoor sports complex, an Olympic-sized pool and incredible facilities for every kind of athlete. With so much to explore, it's really easy to get distracted. So here's a few tips to help you make the most of your time. Tip 1. Plan your schedule in advance. Go into UL's website, download the open day program and highlight the course talk you don't want to miss. Tip 2. Be realistic. You'll probably only have around 2 hours to see everything, so prioritize the things that matter most to you. Tip 3. Don't skip the info stands. This is where you can ask about accommodation, scholarships, student supports, clubs and societies, and even study abroad opportunities. These stands are honestly gold mines of information and often the place where visitors say they got their best insights. So that's how you make the most of your University of Limerick open day. Do your research, plan ahead and take it all in. It could be the start of something amazing.